Hey, I might just wanted to give you a feedback with respect to the original one. So here I have the original one, and in this case, if I can move my lens, I don't see a lot of I don't see the shakiness. When I see the logo is just in the same place, like the Cosentino logo. It's in the same place. Oops, I'll move back here. Yeah, you see this logo, so it doesn't move at all. When I try to rock myself, and the floors, I like this floors here. If you could make the changes to something similar to this, more natural looking, um, would be great. You see the fridge, it has the handles which is stainless steel, so I would like to have the same stainless steel. um, the microwave, in this case, you can see the microwave is more realistic. It's almost the same as what Sharp actually has. Same thing here, the lights look white as well as the shadow is white, so I think we'd like to have something like that. Here you see the wall cabinets a little bit lower here than in your case, so I think that's what we want to do. You can look at this is also 96-inch ceiling, so I can tell that the top wall cabinet above the hood is a little bit bigger, right? So I think in our case, if we can bring the cabinet down by 2 inches, that'd be great. um, and here's the dishwasher, what I was talking about, in terms of you see the whole dishwasher goes all the way to the door, and then the toe kick is also stainless steel. So if you could do something similar, that'd be great. Other than that, I think your layout looks much nicer, more spacious than this one. This is more cramped up, but there's no shakiness in this one, so that's why this makes it like a really nice application without the shakiness. So if you could make that, you see the range is a little bit bigger. In your case, it's 4 burners. Here it is 5 burners. Uh, that's one thing. Other than that, I think the small things like if you look at this wood grain, see the grain kind of follows all the way down from the drawer to this. Also, if there's a three drawer, you can see the grain kind of follows all the way down, right? So when you do your wood grain, this is what I would want to be like. Is the grain should fall all the way down. Same thing, the toe kick grain will be horizontal because that is how it is going to be. Same thing, the crown grain is horizontal. Okay, rest everything is vertical flowing. um, Other than that, I think this is how this is laid out, and I think I like your layout as well. But one thing I like here is it tells me what is selected. Right now I can tell that the subway tile is selected, and this particular countertop is selected, this particular door is selected, right? So I think that gives it a nicer feature that the end user can tell what countertop is actually selected. um, Other than that, you can see the sun in this is a little bit more evident. You can see that if there's sunlight coming in, it is more in. But actually, looking on this, looks like a cloudy day to me for some reason. But yeah, actually, right. So yours looks similar. Yeah. Okay. So I think, yeah. Few small changes, the shakiness goes, I think we can start to work things pretty quickly. I like the rug here, I like the painting here. It is not a particular scenery, so it is much nicer to see because you don't pay too much attention to the scenery as well, right? Same thing when you see outside, you see here it is just green here, just the fence and the green. I like the fence color. If you can make changes to your fence color to this, because this is what is actually in San Diego, you see pretty much this fence color everywhere. It's just universal. Same thing, the buildings are quite far away, so I'm not really paying attention to the building. In your case, the tree is just big, the building is too close by. So if you could push things out and just give some shrubs like this, I think that'd be great. Um, Other than that, I think we're close with respect to what you have and what this application has. It's just that we need to fine tune a few things. Okay. Um, the handles, I mean, if you could copy this color of the handle, this is stainless steel, very similar to the fridge. I think that is what he's done. Is it's basically the fridge color is what has been put. Um, Other than that, I think this is yeah. I think we're very close with respect to what you have and what this is there. Just have to make few small changes. Same thing here. You see the subway tiles. We probably want to get one feature of subway tiles in this particular in the backsplash section. Like you have this tile here, and you have the subway tile here, right? So this is another one, and this one, and where the subway tile? Subway tile is right somewhere here. Yes, that is subway tile. Right. So if we could do these two when you do, that would be great. Um, I think that's about it. Okay. Thank you. I'll send you this over as well so that you have a reference to what I'm talking about. Okay. Thank you.